Hey guys, welcome to my first YouTube channel, and today we're just going to be doing a very beginner, easy card trick for someone who just has a deck of cards at home and wants to do something during lockdown. So I'm going to be doing the tutorial and the performance, so stick around. I would like the spectator to pick any card. Say the spectator picks this one. I'm not looking. The spectator has it. I'll just leave it here. He can place it anywhere he wants in the deck. So I'm just going to say the spectator places it in here. I'm just going to give the deck to the spectator, and I'm going to tell him to spread out the cards. When he spreads them out, there's just one card. That's the spectator's card. Stick around for the tutorial because it's very easy and for beginners. Trick, all you need is a standard deck of cards, and there is a setup to this trick. So you have a normal deck, but the bottom card, you just flip that over. So you ask the spectator to pick cards, say he picks the Queen of Clubs, and you just place it on the floor and tell the spectator to think of that card. You then square up the cards, and then you cover the deck and you just flip it over without them knowing. And that means all the white cards are flipped except for the top card. So then, without flashing the cards like this, just tell the spectator to put the card inside the deck and he won't notice anything. So, and then after you've done that, just say, I'm just going to spread out the cards and look how your card is turned over, and it's turned over. Thank you, and I hope you stick around for our next video where we will be doing an advanced magic trick.